So now we will talk about the settings. Basically, in the settings, very first, we have the project details. In the basic project details, 5 of these functionalities will be further controlled by the admin. Very first, these are general settings. In the general settings, following details will be managed, it can be edited, it can be updated from the admin end. Very first, that's the app name, what application. The name should be visible to the users it is dynamic, and it can be controlled from here. A name, the company name, admin URL. What is the URL of the admin panel? And then the merchant URL, the merchant panel URL, then the dispatcher name, then the dispatcher panel URL, then the website URL, any support email. The support email will further be used from the user end to further raise a ticket and to interrogate. About the platform and then the address. This is the particular address of the client, and then there's the phone number. This is the phone number, and then there's the hotline number, which will be further used for the customer support only. Any update can be done, and any input can be provided by the admin, and further just click on the update button, and that basic general details will be updated. Now, next, there are other customization details. So following other customizable details from the admin end, very first is the currency. So from the basic this dropdown, the admin can select whichever currency they want, whether they want an Indian rupee or they want an Indonesian rupiah. And similarly, a lot of currencies are available. They select that particular currency, and then all of the application front-end data amounts will be shown into that particular currency. And then there's a decimal possession, and after how many points the decimal should be provided, and that should be visible to the user and the merchant, everyone who are utilizing the platform. So it can be changed to 3 or 4. For the time being, this is 21. Let's keep it to only. And then there's this auto cancellation time. And what time does this timestamp, which is provided by the admin, like the cancellation can be done for till that particular time. So this is described 45 seconds. It can be changed to, let's suppose, 40 seconds also. So this is proper dynamic from the admin. And then the support country, which country is being supported. And this is not specific to just one country. Any number of countries can be selected from the EIA, and the particular services will easily be shown into that selected country. And then the admin commission time, whether it should be inclusive or exclusive. Inclusive. That means the details should not be publicly visible, and however exclusive, the details will be visible. And then the tax breakdown, whether that should be enabled or disabled, so yes or no. If there's a yes, then the users will be able to see all of the tax breakdown, and if it is no, then the tax breakdown will not be visible to them during or booking. And then the text for admin, what text should be visible onto the website. Like become an admin is visible. It can be changed to be and merchant. So similarly, any of the update can be done from the admin panel. And then show in skin, whether you want the interest skin to be visible onto the application side or not, yes or no. And then the dynamic CMS, whether if you want to be dynamic, and if yes, then more fields can be added. If no, then that will not be dynamic. Then multiple categories, you want multiple categories to be visible to the user end. Yes, and then it will be visible, otherwise, no. No multiple categories. Allow cash payment. You want the platform should be enabled for cash payment. If yes, then it will be allowed and the user will be able to view pay by cash. Otherwise, if it is not allowed, then only online payment will be accepted. And then the distance measurement unit, whether you want it to be kilometers or miles, and furtherly, that particular unit will be used onto the platform. And then dine-in, you want the dine-in option to be available, yes or no. Then table booking, pickup and delivery, all these particular options. Do you want that to be visible from the admin end or not? And notification on document update. So every time any user updates the document, you want the notification should be sent to them. If yes, the notification will be sent. If no, no notification will be sent. Want to enable 2FA? If yes, then 2FA will be enabled, otherwise, no. Then next we have keys and URLs. So these are all the social media URLs and Google API keys, URL, dispatcher link URL. So all of these URLs are managed and viewed from the admin panel. So further, if in case any URL is changed, that similar URL will be reflected onto the user side. These are social media URLs, user, Facebook ID, Twitter ID, Instagram ID, App Store link, TikTok ID, Play Store link, and any dispatcher link, Play Store link for dispatcher, and then the App Store link for dispatcher, then the Google API key Android, Google API key, iOS key, so every details are visible here. And then edit profile from here, the admin can edit its profile. They can upload an image which should be under 2 MB, and then the first name, last name, email, phone, everything can be updated. Just change the details, click on Update button, and following details will be updated. And then we can also change passcode for that, enter the current passcode, enter the new password, and confirm your password, and just update all the updates will be done.